So here children, I am back with the coloring of the elephant that we make last week with the help of various shapes. As I told you, this is a sunset scene, so we'll be using the colors of sunset in the background. For the sun, first of all, I'll be taking the various shades of yellow, orange and red. I'm taking 3 shades of yellow. This is lemon yellow, medium yellow and deep yellow. After that we'll take orange and red. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to take the lemon yellow color and here it is also the outline of the sun. Do a little bit thick outline with lemon yellow color and mix it up with a little bit of white. It will give. So here I have done the sun. I'll be using a little bit of orange, then merge it along with deep yellow. Try to move your hand in circular movements. It will give a nice effect. I'm merging it with deep yellow after using orange on it. Now here we need to stop. Now I'm taking the red color and top of the sheet, use a little bit of red color near the trees as well. A thin line of red, give it an outline, then start mixing up with orange. Now here I'm going to start doing the circular movements so that it gets merged with the sun later on. Here we don't have much space, so I'm not doing the curved lines, I'm doing sleeping line. Now here we have a space, so use a little bit of curved direction. Between the gaps of the trees, it's again the background, the sky. So do it orange till this sleeping line. Between the gaps of the trees, it's again the background, the sky. So do it orange till this sleeping line. Next, I'm taking medium yellow color and mixing this deep yellow and orange all together. Outline it from in the outer parts of your elephant so that the color does not get inside the body of the elephant. Now all the colors are mixed with each other, nicely merged. So here the background of sunset sky is ready. We'll color the elephant at the last because the elephant will be having darker shades. The gray is a darker shade, so we'll color the elephant at the last. So now next, let's come to the trees. So in the tree area, we are going to use dark green, light green, a little bit of yellow, and then a very little bit of Persian blue color. Children, so now start with the green color. Move your hand in circular movements In the lower part of the tree, use dark green. Same here near the trunk. Move your hands round in circular movements. Then with light green, we'll use a very little bit of yellow because it's already there in the background, so let's use yellow in lesser quantity. To give a little bit of detailing, we are going to use Persian blue, a very little bit of Persian blue somewhere in your tree. Now like this, the tree is done. Let's start with the trunk. For the trunk, take brown color, one of the sides, use the brown color. You need to use it a little bit thicker so that when you merge, it gives a nice effect. So here I have colored with dark brown. Now I'll be taking the light brown color and mixing it up with the dark brown. Move your hands on top of the dark color as well so that it gets merged. Two different shades should not be seen when you have done shading. So here the tree trunk is completed. Here it's a grassy land, so let us start with the dark green in sleeping direction. When we have to show a flat land, please move your hand in sleeping direction most of the time. Here you can outline the trunk and then please move your hand in sleeping direction to show it as a flat land. जब आपको कोई भी चीज फ्लैट शो करनी है तो आपको अपना हाथ का मूवमेंट भी स्लीपिंग डायरेक्शन में ही चलाना पड़ेगा. When you color the river, when you color land, please move your hand accordingly. So here somewhere I am doing a little bit of dark green below the legs of the elephant. Same here. उसके पैरों के नीचे जरूर से डार्क कलर लगाना है. When you are doing outlining, you have to do it standing movement, but later on, please mix it up with sleeping lines. Next, take light green color and merge the dark green and the light green together. In this slanting area, I'm trying to make a pond. So how to create a pond? First of all, make a double line with brown color to show the depth. Pond obviously जमीन से थोड़ा नीचे होगा, to show the depth, make a double line and then standing direction, color it with dark brown, थोड़ा दूर पे. Now mix it up with light brown to show the depth of the land. Now when you color it with the shades of blue, it will show that it's a little bit down from this grassy land. Take any shade of blue, a little darker tone, smudge it here and there, another shade of blue, mixing together. There are many shades of blue in the water because उसमें sky की reflection दिखाई देती है, तो हम पानी में बहुत ढेर सारे colors देख सकते हैं. So now I am using the lightest blue. Last, I'll be merging all of them with white. This is white color and I'm taking white and merging all of them together. Here I can make some, from dark blue I'm making some grass and the reflection. Here also you can make some grass and the reflection. So like this you can complete the coloring of the water, the grass and the background. Now let's come to the main object, and that is the elephant. Children, I told you that we will be doing the elephant at the last because in the elephant we are going to use a very little bit of black color, and the black color is the darkest one, and that makes the drawing dirty sometimes. So here I am using the black. बहुत हल्के हाथ से और बहुत पतली लाइन आपको यूज करनी है, like this. Very little with very soft hand. Don't put pressure on your black color because it's very dark. ये बहुत जल्दी आपकी ड्राइंग को खराब भी कर सकती है. So बहुत हल्के हल्के हाथों से use the black color. It will give a very nice effect, and especially if you have not done the outlining with black marker. So here I have done the outlining, very thin and very light outlining with the black, and then mix it up with the gray. Black के ऊपर ही gray को चलाना है so that the black color gets merged nicely. If you have a dark gray color option in your color box, that dark gray will also do the same work. So you can use dark gray as well if you have, but I don't have dark gray in my color box, so I'm using black along with the gray. So now I am using only gray here. After this, we will smudge it along with a little bit of white also. So here I am using my white color on top of the gray. Like this we are going to complete the elephant. Use gray on top of black. Merge the black along with gray. Then take white color and smudge the gray along with white. That's it. How you have to color the elephant. Take the black color, बहुत हल्के हल्के से softly you have to outline. Mix it up with grey color. The grey coloring should be done a little bit thicker, otherwise your elephant will look more white in color. So here I have outlined with grey, and now mix it up with white. Add on some detailings. So now our elephant is done. The sunset scene is complete. So like this you can also complete your work nicely. So till then children, bye.